Here in this small video I will show you how to disable third-party add-ins for Revit. You can do it the hard way or you can do it the easy way. And of course I will show you the easy way. If you go in here and you read about 24 and earlier, you could install a small add-in manager from Stantec and Revit, and you can disable the add-ins here. The really old-fashioned way was that you went into the Explorer, took these paths below, removed the add-ins or moved them to another folder and renamed them, and then it was disabled. But from Revit 25 and later 26, there is this add-in manager where you can disable it. In fact, there is two add-in managers. There's the add-in manager and admin add-in manager, and I will just talk about both of them. What I have done here is that I have started up Revit. As you can see in here, I have done something with a plugin called HSBCAD, and if I want to disable that, the easy way, I'll just close the program. And what I will do is I will go into program files, Autodesk, Revit 26, and as you can see, I have two folders here, add-in manager and admin add-in manager. And what I have done is that I have added these shortcuts in my Autodesk settings. And if I will do it as a user, just try to disable something, I'll go into this add-in manager. And if I remove this tick mark for HSBCAD and click apply and close and start up Revit again. And if I go in and I create a new drawing, HSB template. Now it will be very, very angry because I have removed the add-in. As you can see, it is very angry here because the HSB add-in has been removed. But again, I'll just close the program, and if I want to enable it again, I start this add-in manager up. Oh, not this one, this one. And I add on this tick mark and click apply, and if I start Revit now, HSBCAD will be on Revit. If I start the other one here, the admin, what I can do with that one is, as you can see here, HSBCAD always disable, and what I will then do is I will export it, and as you can see up here, I have my program data, Autodesk, Revit 26, admin, and I created a folder called admin. And if I choose this folder, it says the setting has been exported correctly. And if I take my Explorer down here, you can now see that it had added an admin setting JSON file. And this JSON file and this folder, as an admin or administrator in a company, you can take this folder and copy it around on all computers using a script or something else, and then HSBCAD will be disabled on all computers. I hope you like this small video, and give me a thumbs up, and I will create more videos for you.